has issued a tornado warning for central Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Polk County in western North Carolina, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Columbus, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Rutherford and Polk counties, including the following locations: Lake Edger and Mill Spring. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Polk and Rutherford. The National Weather Service has issued